Different weld processes. There are several types of resistant weld processes commonly used in industry. Spot weld. The spot weld is the most common resistance weld. It is made by clamping the workpieces between two rod-like electrodes connected to a high current, low voltage transformer. The current is localized by the electrodes and pressure. When the metal melts, the electrodes force the pieces together. After the current is shut off, the electrodes hold the pieces in place while the weld cools. Projection weld. Projection welds are similar to spot welds, except the current is localized through projections stamped or processed on one of the pieces before welding. A projection can be a ridge, a small teat, or multiple projections. The work pieces are clamped between large electrodes, either flat or shaped to fit the work. The current divides equally among all projections, creating welds of even strength. Heating and pressure continue until the projections deform and the workpieces lie flat against each other. Seam welds. A seam weld is a line of overlapping spot welds made between rotating wheel electrodes. One wheel may be replaced with a flat backing electrode to support the workpiece along the seam. This method produces thoroughly pressure-tight seams. Roll spot weld. A roll spot weld is a line of spot welds made with wheel electrodes, but the welds do not overlap. The joint strength equals that of a row of spot welds. This continuous rolling process allows greater speed. Upset butt weld. An upset butt weld adapts resistance welding to join pieces end-to-end without overlap. Each electrode clamps one piece. One electrode moves to engage the surfaces, and current and force are applied to heat the joint. When the metal fuses, an upset weld nugget forms. The electrodes hold the pieces in place while they cool. Flash butt weld. A flash butt weld also joins ends of pieces using clamp-type electrodes. Heat is produced by arcing and burning gaseous metal in the arc. The pieces move together slowly as metal burns away. When properly heated, the pieces are forced together and the current is cut off. Plastic metal and impurities are expelled, leaving clean metal in the weld. The work cools in place in the clamps. Marlin Steel makes baskets, racks, and carts and wire forms for the medical device and aerospace and food processing industries in the USA and exports to 45 countries. We make the best quality, and we appreciate the welding training and partnership with TJ Snow. Please give us a shot on your next project, where quality engineering and quick matter.